Imagine slashing your electric bill to zero. Welcome to your fully solar-powered oasis. Located south of Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, this charming ranch-style home sits on a spacious 7,300 square foot corner lot. Step up the brick-lined path, feel that instant curb appeal. Your private porch is perfect for morning coffee or sunset unwinding. Inside, sunlight pours through skylights and plantation shutters. Spacious living room with gleaming wood floors and bay windows. Welcome home. Cozy up to the dramatic three-sided Peninsula gas fireplace, the heart of every gathering. Open concept flow makes entertaining effortless. Need a home office or formal dining? This versatile space adapts to your lifestyle. Next stop, a chef's kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Walk-in pantry, storage bliss. Your primary suite boasts a vaulted ceiling, plantation shutters, and tranquil garden views. The ensuite bath includes dual vanities, a skylight, and a walk-in shower. Around the corner, a comfy second bedroom with its own bath, perfect for guests or study. Laundry day? Toss it in here and step out to the backyard with ease. Your entertainer's paradise awaits. Multiple seating zones under the sun. Imagine grilling here, poolside chats, al fresco dinners. Ready to cool off? Dive into the sparkling pool surrounded by lush landscaping. Or melt into the bubbling jacuzzi spa, pure relaxation. Secure 2-car garage parking, and the solar inverter keeps your power bill at zero. Optional third bedroom available for additional feet. Can you see yourself here? Drop a comment with your favorite feature, share this video with a friend, and DM me to book your private tour today.